When you see the settings, speaker and ohms time. Before me reach now, when you see the face, so you know who. Yeah, man. Heatwave, big up on yourself. Seeing? Welcome back to the channel. All of me dieted subscriber them, if I may say that. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, you don't know you go. Do the right thing. Click it something with the right so. Seeing? Do that. You don't know. All I notification them when contents drop when I get it. The other day me there work. Let me say this though before me jump in another video. Let me say this. The other day me there work, right? I think one of my general then send me a video. A YouTube, send me a link via YouTube and me I watch the video. And I said the other day that we have a lot to talk about. This is one of the topics that I wanted to get on. I appreciate, me enjoy, me love. Man, listen, words can't explain the feedback when we get from the general them pan the channel. Yo, listen, I like it. That's I'm just gonna say, yo, I appreciate it. You see me? All I man them then link me and say, yo, brother, Heatwave, go on the way I do. Cause a lot of people don't really take the time for show with things. So me I say, and boy, you come through and show me a thing, and believe me, at the time where you show me I say, nah. You see me? But it worked. Bro, I was surprised. You see me? I really, really love my community right now. And when I say community, me no mean which part me live. Me mean this YouTube sound man community. Because believe it or not, we are a community. You understand what I say? My general send me the video and me there working at the lunchroom. I eat lunch. And me I watch action part, big up yourself. Me I watch the video. It was a video of action. I'm a subscriber, you know what I mean, to his channel. And me I watch the video. And him give me a big up. Him give me a big up scene. And me I say, yeah man, you don't know a thing go. And in the man statement, he said, yo, listen, me I big up all of them sound engineer, music enthusiasts, whatever. He went on to say, listen, if you're watching this right now, you're an addict. Like myself. He said that, you know what I mean, and I quote his words, if you're watching this right now, you're an addict. And it make me feel like, say, oh, me, general attack, you know. Because in general, give me a shout out to that. And I say, yo, yeah, man, one sound named Heatwave, big up Heatwave sound. I came across his contents and me I tell us say very informative, very blah blah blah. And in that same statement, he say, yo, if you're watching this right now, you know what I mean, we have sound addicts, we have sound engineer. If you're watching this right now, you're an addict. He call like a mean point finger. But me I tell you, at the end, it was a nice refreshing video. But at the end of the video, you know what I mean, me realize say, yo, acid channel, Jamaican sound system channel, NASA link me and the youth they got school together. Me myself, you know what I mean, my general me I talk about right as I said speed. You get me, I say we're a community because yo, the man them was subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Acid channel, you know, and subscribe to Action channel, you know, and subscribe to NASA link channel, you know. So uno, you guys are addicts. Uno addicted. How me know say uno subscribe to NASA link channel? How me know say uno subscribe to Acid channel? How me know say uno subscribe to Action channel? Ask me how me know. Cause a uno link Action, Action link me through. Not really say link me through uno, but uno make the man know say yo, you know say eat wave me link, eat wave on this and that. We are addicted to what we do. You know what I mean? So uno have to give thanks. If you know say yo, we're not addicted to not all of them foolishness that some people are addicted to, you know, brother. We addicted to this music thing more than we addicted to food sometimes. Cause sometimes the man them work on the machine, they're hungry and they still work on the machine. Me don't know if you don't do that like me. But me come in and me hungry, bro, and me I say, yo, now me have to finish that little piece of sitting. I'm gone on the machine, you know, brother. Yeah, me I say. Big up our son owner. Shanji, big up yourself, me G. You see me? Uncle Donovan, big up yourself. You understand? Maurice, Richie, big up yourself, my general. You understand what I say? Yo, make me jump in that video, yeah. I just want to give an acknowledgement to all I general them, all I sound man them, and make you know say, I acknowledge the community. Me acknowledge the love. You understand? And me appreciate it, bro. Me appreciate it. You understand? Yo, I saw if you live. I saw if you live. Nobody no fear fight against this. You see when someone go clash? It's clash. Have fun. And when someone clash done, it two sound man then gone over this and go drink Heineken. Nobody not supposed to hide the info for this and man hide it. We feel live like this, bro. Me appreciate and love that. Me love the unity in the community. That's what I'm trying to say right now. You see me? Without further ado, me could jump in another video. Yeah? We're gonna talk about speaker in series and speaker in parallel. I did a video on this and somebody on the channel linked me and say, yo bro, you're wrong about this. I never 2 ohms, you know, I 8 ohms. And me I say, nah bro. No. But then I go back and watch the video and realize I was wrong for real. So I'm gonna do this video. You see me I say? And we're gonna go further into ohms. And I'm also gonna use the ohms tester. You understand? Make everybody see the whole thing. You see me? So here we go, diving into this video. Now say nothing more. Alright, I have 2 Scar Audio 10-inch. Using them car at 4 ohms. I'm have 4, I think they are, I don't know, I don't remember what brand, but it says titanium something on the front. And each one of them are 4 ohms. See? Alright. So the tester there. So me have a next Pioneer 12-inch tester. I think that one's 4 ohms. And then that kicker that I just refurbished, build up my box and all of that array. That was the one I did that video on, and I said it went down to 2 ohms in parallel, but I was wrong about that. So we are going to clarify that today. You see me? Watch me. Here we go now. Here we go. With some more wire and some more tester. So this right here, this blue wire, is one of my 10-inch them. See that? That's one of my 10-inch. Alright, see that? One speaker. 4.9, 4.8. 4.6 ohms. Because if you don't remember, I rebuilt one of them speaker here before. So 4.6, 4 point something. Whatever it is, that's one of the speaker them. And then the other one here. The other one right here. Like this so. 4.1 ohms. See? Alright. Now this right here, one live this or one live vessel, this would be parallel. One wire from the box, one speaker from one box, one wire from one box, connect this up, that's parallel. You see me? And when you have two speakers in parallel, two 4 ohm speaker would give you a 2 ohm load in parallel. See? Alright. This would be series. The live this the ground this. So you would connect this a speaker live to this a speaker ground. And from the two speaker, you'd have two wire going towards the amplifier connected to either terminal. One to the live, one to the ground panel amp. See? So the ground and the live in between these two speakers would have, you know what I mean, close the circuit, the series circuit. See? Alright, when you have two speakers at 4 ohms in series, what you get is let me get my finger off of this thing. Come on, you little stinker. Eight ohms. Two 4 ohm speaker in a series, you get 8 ohms. See? Alright. We have, I don't think I'm gonna end up doing the series parallel. I'm gonna try to do that. We have 4 tweeter. Each one of my tweeter them are 4 ohms. You see me? We have 2 in a dot box in a series, in a parallel, 2 in a the other box in a parallel. You see me? Grab back the multimeter. Grab the other end of the tester. Seem to me like one of them tweeter they not function in another box there. Long time then did it show down. That's one. This is the other one, I think. Right, this is the other tweeter. I'm drop on the meter upon him and see what the meter say. Meter don't say nothing upon the tweeter there. Wonder why. I haven't disconnected anything. think I know what's going on up there. Then Twitter, they have some comments upon them. Then Twitter, they have some comments upon them. So that comments are going to throw me off. See it? That condenser is what's throwing me off right now with the meter. Then two Twitter, they come with some condenser upon them. And I didn't take them off. So, I'm going to do a series parallel test today. If I do a series parallel test, I'd have to use the speakers. But, anyway, gentlemen, I'm going to see how that part go. So, two 4 ohm speaker in a parallel. You see me? I go give you 2 ohms. 2 4 ohm speaker in a series, I go give you 8 ohms. Alright. I'm not supposed to follow that. I'm not going to do it again. The one that when me did do, the L5 kicker there, when me refab the other day. The one that we did put in a series. So here we go. One wire there, so. One wire there, so. Movie tester. See it? 7.7. 8 ohms load. In a series. You understand? Now if me string them, one speaker out to this and then the other speaker out to this, because everybody know with a L5 with 4 terminal, say basically a 2 speaker on the box. So if me wire it parallel, one set a terminal to this and one set to this, or from the live to live and the ground to ground, this right here wouldn't be showing me a 7 ohms or 8 ohms load. It would be showing me a 2 ohms load. You understand what I say? So, when you don't see how that go. Alright, I can do a series parallel using one of the speaker them. Series parallel, I know my favorite. I don't like doing a series parallel. I never like series parallel. I'll probably do a parallel, a series on 2 bass speaker, but I don't like to do series per mid, and I don't like doing series parallel stringing. I don't know why. But anyways, let's go into doing a series parallel on these. Yo, me keep on, I get some call, man, I disturb the video. Anyways, the two L5 kickers in a parallel series mode would give you 8 ohms, right? So now the one 10-inch in this box added to the circuit now, which is a 4 ohm. So we have a series parallel also. Excuse me for drop the phone. So we have one 10-inch Scar audio added to the load of 8 ohms, and the 10-inch is a 4 ohm, and now we're getting 2.93 ohms. You see me? So basically what you did there is when we added the 4 ohm Scar to the 8 ohm load, in a parallel mode, we would be subtracting 4 ohm from the 8 ohm, which would have come down to 4 ohm. But as we refabricate the speaker, them array, you already see we got a 4 ohm. You know what I mean? We got a 3 ohm, if you say, so 2.8, 3 ohms. You know what I mean? So, not far from perfect. You know what I mean? But, I want to get the idea. So, to do a series parallel string, if you have 2 speakers in the series, then you can bring in another parallel unit and hook up like that. Measure with your ohms meter, see how it work out for you, and try to get your ohms. Try to get the load for your ohms as close as you can get it for match up with the ohms for your amp, the ohm that your amp is rated at. You see me? So that's a look at speaker in series and speaker in parallel string. You know what I mean? I don't know what the thing go. I don't see the face. I have one more video to do tonight, and it's gonna be a big one. Hopefully I'll do it tonight because the one Devlin just gone upstairs. I know how him stay. Soon he might come saying hungry. So we're gonna go bubble the pot. We're gonna put it on and make it do it thing. You understand? So as we say, big up the whole community. A unity in the community. Each one teach one. Each way of my name, everybody done see the face and done the advice. Do the right thing. It is somewhere for yourself. Click it. And then hit all. I don't know we get. You know what I mean? The contents when then drop. Black money sound, pick up yourself, yeah man. Clear cut movement. As me say. Now ask me how me know say no subscribe to Action cause you know addicted. Cause when Action say Ray, he say clear cut. So clear cut you're guilty. Yeah, what that? You understand? Action part, pick up yourself, my general. Me tune in, man. Me check. Is what me I say subscribe. Content then wild, man. Content then crazy. A whole heap of, very informative. Very, very informative. You know what I mean? So general them out they go and do now do like YouTubers, them like myself. Sound enthusiasts. Do anything. You know what I mean? And big up on yourself. Until then.